Hello and welcome to computer class. My name is Dave and today we're talking about how to install Microsoft Office. So go to Google, which is in the Chrome browser usually for most people, and Google Microsoft 365. That's the product sold by Microsoft. Now, I want to give a disclaimer here. In order to buy Microsoft Office, more than likely you will have to create a Microsoft account. That being said, as you walk through the process of buying Office, usually they have you create that account. So you also have to have an email and a credit card and information about yourself in order to do that. But once you Google this, you click on the link here, and you have several options. Obviously, education, entrepreneur, business, not for you. Click on the home version of Microsoft.com. And then with home, you have two options. Now, for me, this is a no-brainer. I have multiple computers, so obviously I would go with the one where I can stick it on 6 devices, right, and have premium apps with my phone and tablet and stuff. That makes sense for me. If you want to save $30 and only put it on one computer, I mean, by all means, I guess. If you click the buy now, it starts the process of you creating that Microsoft account, putting in your contact information, putting in your email, putting in your credit card and all that stuff. I'm not going to do that because I already have a Microsoft account, and as a result, I'm not going to walk you through that. I think you guys can fill out your own information. If you can't, then I don't know what to do. So anyway, once you've created the account, you will be brought to a screen like this. You'll go to 365 and you'll sign in. Again, Microsoft 365, right? I already Googled it. Wow, look at that, still spelled wrong. And then you would just log in. And once you log in, you'll get this screen right here. This is all information that I have created on my Microsoft apps in the past couple days. But you just hit the install Office button here. And when you do that, it takes you to this screen, which loads for a second. I guess more than a second. There we go. And you can install Office on mobile apps. That's just download the apps. Just go to the App Store and download them if you're going to do that on your phone. But if you're doing it on a computer, right here, install Office. So you just click that and you hit install. When you do that, it starts downloading this executable file right here in the browser. Now, while that's downloading, what you want to do is you want to make sure that there's no Office already on your computer because they're just going to conflict with each other. So go to your settings and type uninstall, or Cortana and type uninstall, add or remove programs, and into this, do not type Microsoft Office, just Office. And it pops up, and then if anything is already there, like an older version, Microsoft 2000 ancient, whatever, or some sort of free trial, whatever, just uninstall it. Okay. Now my computer's pretty quick, so it should PAL there. Office is gone. All these are gone off my toolbar. Don't have Office anymore. If I type Word, uh, you know, it takes it all, right? It's all gone. Deletes it off my computer. It's just taking a second to get rid of it. Okay, so now I click this executable and it says, do you want to install this? I say yes. If you are in the admin portion of your computer, then it's probably going to not ask you for your password. But if you're just a regular user, then it's probably going to ask you for some sort of a password. So you pretty much have to be on the admin login of your computer or know the password to the admin login. Anyway, that's a side note. Usually most people are in their admin login, so you just click yes and it installs. And then you wait for a very long time. It downloads for a while. I don't even know how long it is. It takes forever, just like downloading and creating a Windows USB stick takes. But needless to say, when you get done with this download and this install, it's going to pop open the programs. It'll just say, Office is installed. And at that point, you'll need to click and log in with your Microsoft account. All right, so I will see you in a second when this finishes, and we'll go from there. Alright, as you can see, Microsoft has finished installing, so I'm going to click Close now, and then I'm going to type Word into the Cortana app here and pop up the program for the first time. Now, more than likely, when you open it up, um, you will have to click here and sign in to your account right there at the top, or you can click Account and you can sign in and out right here. And I'm going to have to blur mine out for obvious reasons. Okay, and once you're signed in, it will activate the software. Now, since I have this piece of software up, I can right click on it and hit pin to taskbar. And I need PowerPoint as well. So we'll just do that and right click and pin that one to taskbar. And pretty much that's it. I mean, it's not that hard. Again, the steps, pretty simple and straightforward. Make sure you have a Microsoft account. Buy Microsoft 365 on that account. Log into the account, install the software, and then boot it up and make sure you're signed in with that Microsoft account up there in the corner. And that's it. There's nothing else to it. Microsoft Office installation is super easy. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video and you learned something. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.